Wake up, India. Wake up, India. Speak up, India. Take up, India. Voice, I raise it high. Hear the voices, the sources call. It's the voices who shed their blood. It's the cries who give their life for free. India, wake up, India, your beti cries. Wake up, India, wake up, India. Speak up, India, take up, India. Wake up, India. We are not safe with the meiteis. We are sleepless with the wolves. Hills and valleys separated. Together we can't live anymore. Separate administration, the only solution. The pay we don't deserve to be set us free again. Kasam, we don't